Hello! Are you looking for a way to make money that's cutting edge, exciting, and has endless potential? Then you need to harness the power of AI. AI is changing the world as we know it, and it's creating new opportunities for people who want to earn a living in this exciting field. Whether you're interested in robotics, machine learning, or natural language processing, there's no shortage of ways you can make money with AI. You could start your own AI-based business, create a new product or service that leverages AI technology, or work as a consultant for businesses looking to incorporate AI into their operations. Or you could become an educator, sharing your knowledge and expertise with others who want to learn about this exciting and rapidly evolving field. With AI, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, you don't need to be a genius or have a PhD in computer science to get started. With the right training and resources, anyone can learn how to create AI-based products and services that can generate passive income and free up your time to focus on the things you love. So why wait? Check out the link in the description to access more tutorials about making money with AI and start exploring the exciting possibilities of this cutting-edge field. And don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more valuable content like this. The future is now, and with AI, you can be part of it.